In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a family type in Revit. This walkthrough is perfect for those moments when you want to keep the same family, but switch to a different size or variation, like changing a door from 900mm to 1000mm without rebuilding anything from scratch. First, start by selecting the element you want to update. Click directly on it in your view. Plan, elevation, or 3D works just fine. Make sure you have the correct item highlighted. If multiple elements are stacked or close together, zoom in for precision so you don't accidentally change the wrong component. If you see multiple elements selected, deselect and choose just the one you intend to modify to keep the change focused. With the element selected, look over to the Properties palette. At the very top, you'll find the Type selector. This is a drop-down that lists the available types for the selected elements family. Think of a type as a predefined variation within the same family, typically defined by size or specific parameters. For example, your door family might include types like 800mm, 900mm, and 1000mm, all using the same overall design, hardware, and behavior, but at different widths. Open the Type selector and choose the type you need. If you're switching a door from 900mm to 1000mm, simply pick the 1000mm type from the list. The model will update instantly, adjusting the element to the new size while maintaining its placement and orientation. This is a clean and reliable way to keep consistency across your project because you're not changing the family itself, just the type assigned to that instance. After switching, take a quick look around your view to confirm the change. Check adjacent walls, clearances, and any dimensions or tags tied to the element. If multiple elements were selected, they'll all update to the new type, so it's always worth confirming what's selected before you make the change. A quick note on clarity. Type names usually include key dimensions or descriptors, which helps you pick exactly what you need without guesswork. If the naming in your project is consistent, you'll find this process fast and dependable, and that's it. Select the element, use the Type selector at the top of the Properties palette, and choose a different type within the same family. It's simple, efficient, and keeps your model coordinated.